In the United Kingdom, November 5th is a date marked with fiery anticipation. It's the night when the sky comes alive with vibrant colours, the air is filled with the scent of burning wood, and the crackling of bonfires lights up the darkness. It's Bonfire Night, a time-honoured tradition celebrated with fireworks, bonfires, and a dash of history that's as thrilling as the night sky itself. So let's delve into the story behind why the UK celebrates Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, commemorates an event that unfolded over 4 centuries ago. The year was 1605, and a group of conspirators led by Guy Fawkes plotted to blow up the Houses of Parliament in London. Their aim was to assassinate King James I and restore Catholic rule to England. The plot was discovered in the nick of time, and Guy Fawkes was arrested while guarding barrels of gunpowder hidden in the cellars beneath the Parliament. This foiled assassination attempt is known as the Gunpowder Plot. To celebrate the survival of the king and the failure of the Gunpowder Plot, people lit bonfires across London on the night of November 5th, 1605. The tradition quickly caught on, and an Act of Parliament declared November 5th a day of thanksgiving. The custom of lighting bonfires and fireworks continued for years, and eventually evolved into the spectacular Bonfire Night we celebrate today. The phrase "Remember, remember the 5th of November" has become synonymous with Bonfire Night and comes from a traditional rhyme that serves as a reminder of the historical events. Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Today, Bonfire Night is a family-friendly celebration with a mix of traditions. Communities come together to build towering bonfires and light up the night sky with dazzling firework displays. It's a time for people to enjoy toffee apples, roasted chestnuts, and warming cups of hot chocolate. Effigies of Guy Fawkes, often made by children, are placed atop the bonfires, and the crowds cheer as they go up in flames. The bonfires symbolize a historic event's fiery end and serve as a powerful reminder of the consequence of treacherous acts. While Bonfire Night has its roots in history, it has also come to represent broader themes. It's a celebration of freedom, democracy, and the resilience of the British people. The fireworks and bonfires are a symbol of unity, and the tradition carries a sense of communal spirit that's deeply cherished by the UK. A word of caution. While Bonfire Night is a joyous occasion, it's essential to follow safety guidelines when handling fireworks and bonfires. Always attend organised firework displays for the best experience and safety. Bonfire Night is a spectacular celebration that weaves history, tradition, and modern-day revelry into one unforgettable evening. It's a time when the skies light up and communities come together to commemorate a historic event and express gratitude for peace and freedom. So when November 5th rolls around, gather around a roaring bonfire, watch the night sky explode with colour, and join the UK in celebrating Bonfire Night, a dazzling spectacle that lights up the heart and soul.